So when the plant's growing a little bit tall, what I like to do is I like to give it some life back, because if you notice, all the leaves down here are pretty much the same size. All of these leaves have taken a lot of energy, and so the flower itself doesn't grow as big. So I like to go right here and cut it off, and then pull out all these so that more energy goes towards the top of the plant. And then you wait till this calluses. Wait till that actually gets nice and dry, which is probably about 5 to 10 hours. You could wait till tomorrow. Place it in a little bit of water and you'll see roots come in. In the meanwhile, keep this one hydrated. Once every 2 weeks, water it, and you'll see a new plant coming out of these little guys. Thanks for watching.